Want to measure the distance between furniture and other items? Here are some options. Use the tape measure to check distances as you go. Click the menu and then click Tape Measure. Here it is. I want to measure this distance. I'll zoom in first so it's easier to see. Simply drag and size the tape measure like this to see a measurement. And now I can move it over here for the next time I need it, or close it. If you want to actually display measurements between items on your 2D floor plans, this is how you do it. First, open the menu and click Always Furniture. This ensures that your furniture appears in all RoomSketcher modes. Next, open Windows, etc. mode, then Symbols, Text, and Lines. Click the Measuring Tape tool and place it on your floor plan. Drag and size it to see a measurement. To see what it will look like on your 2D floor plan, click Menu, Preview 2D Floor Plan. For smaller distances, we recommend using the Measure line. Add it to your project, then drag and size it between items. Over here, I can see the measurement is 25.1 inches. Now I can click the plus tab and add a text box. Type the length in the label box and adjust the font here. Adjust the placement if needed, and let's preview this option. Here it is. That's all there is to it. For more videos and tutorials, go to RoomSketcher.com.